So guys, as you can see in front of you, this is Emirates.com official website, and this link is what you need right now. When you click login, you will head towards sign up, and this is how you sign up. These are the options that you have to fill. As you can see, I have filled everything. My date of birth is 1999, so I will correct this, and then I will head towards the end, as you can see. And this is how you make an ID on Emirates, and you have to fill all these details, and you have to, if you want notification for Emirates for discount tickets, you have to do this. Then you set a password, and when you're done, what you have to do is to confirm and create an account. So as you can see in front of you, I will check my email afterwards. As you can see, please create your password using only English letters. Your password should be a minimum of 8 characters with at least one lowercase n. Okay, so there's some issue on my password. What I'm gonna do next is I am not sure. Now let's see. So I change my password, and please create your password using only English characters. Your password should be a minimum of 8 characters with at least one lowercase and one uppercase, one number and one special character. Okay. Now let's see if they allow me to make an account on this password or not. So they keep telling me. Now let's see. So there's a problem, making an account with the password, and yeah, I'm doing it now. Let's see what happens next. Let's keep on loading. The signals are not good, as you can see, and yeah, I think I successfully made the account on Skywards Miles on Emirates. So this is how you make an ID, make an account on your Emirates. You have to make sure that you use lowercase, uppercase, one hyphen, one number, and then all the English characters. This is how you make an ID, an account on Emirates. So thank you so much for watching. Someone asked me, my name is Mr. Khan, as you can see here, and I will change my profile picture, my account. I will go to my account. Membership number is this. I'm not sure if this is allowed to share or not. Your most recent alert. So yeah, this is what it is. This is how you make it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. Until then, goodbye and have a good day. This is my YouTube channel. As you can see, I make tech videos. Tech videos pays me good amount of money when it compares to entertainment videos and the videos of animals and stuff. Tech videos are mostly more revenue generated videos than the other videos, than entertainment videos and films, media, movies industry videos. So this is what it is. In the end, I gave you a tip. If you are a YouTuber, you can make good amount of money making tech videos only, making videos that educate people all around the world. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.